Hello everybody, Molly here from my channel Molly Fits Brown, and today we are at Busch Gardens in Tampa. But not just any day, it is Food and Wine Festival Day. So thank you so much to Busch Gardens for having us out and supplying us with some lanyards today. So I am standing right next to the map. We are at the festival walkway. We're ready to start off right away. We're gonna go check out every booth. We're gonna try all the vegetarian items because you know we're vegetarian. That also means we can try all the fancy desserts and stuff too. So, and of course some drinks. Let's go have some fun.
Yo pensé, y un pase que yo pensé que íbamos para allá y venía para acá.
Okay, we are here inside the festival walkway now, so we're gonna start stopping by every booth. We already stopped here for a savor the moments photo. So, all right, here we go. Booth 1, Jamaica. All right, this is the first item to try. It's all mixed. Oh wow, okay, that is really good. It just looks mostly like green, so I wasn't sure what to expect. Delicious. Isn't that good?
It's like chili.
Yes, kind of like a vegetarian chili, but with greens. Ooh, we got the pink strawberry lemonade. All right, I'm excited to try this. Okay, here we go. Oh, that is good. That is sweet. I can taste the strawberry more than the lemonade, but oh, that's delicious. All right, that's a definite recommend. Cheers. Okay, I did not see a booth 3, but we are at number 4, and I think I'm gonna try the hazelnut empanada. All right, here we go. Hazelnut, there's chocolate in there.
That's what I want to go.
Nice and crunchy. A lot of chocolate in the middle. Powdered sugar's good on top.
So I don't even really like hazelnuts, but after I took a bite, it's very well coated. The pastry is really good.
All right, now we are approaching Chile, booth number 5, and I see some tres leches. Okay, the pink Moscato, I think it is. Oh, that's pretty good. Very sweet, smooth. Okay, now we gotta try the cake too. Creamy, milky cakiness. Oh yeah, it's very creamy. Okay, that's good. The whipped cream is really good. Creamier than I'm used to, but very sweet and smooth. That's good. Okay, so we are through 6 booths now. I see New Zealand and India, and we are having an amazing time making our way around the food booths here. Ooh, they got a chocolate fudge cake. That actually sounds pretty good. All right. This cute little fudgy piece has a flower on it. Okay, wow, that is a giant fudgy looking cold brownie thing, so I'm excited. Okay, it is fudgy brownie. That is so thick. Wow. Okay, number 7, India. Going for the chickpeas, first time. Ooh, tons of seasoning. That is really good.
So the chickpea masala, I would say everything, it's been good. Some stuff's alright, but this at the Indian booth, it's amazing. 10 out of 10. Nothing wrong with it.
Very good.
It's perfect. Nothing wrong with it.
Seasoned, flavorful.
10 out of 10.
Wow.
I don't think anything can match it.
Okay, well now we're heading to Canada. I see booth 8. Let's go. Okay, they also have live entertainment here back on the walkway and somebody live painting. Live entertainment in the back. That was cool. And they have a live painter who is painting this enormous animal painting at the same time that the guy is back there singing. How cool. So we're gonna come back out through the start of the festival walkway and go find the rest of the booths, and stop by the gift shop here and check out some pens. Okay, the excursion shop. See a couple that look like for food and wine. Busch Gardens St. Patrick's Day. We came for St. Patrick's Day last year, that's funny. Oh, and here's a food and wine. Oh, that one's very pretty. Okay, booth 11 is the tequila tasting. And then that leads us to Spain. Ooh, let's go see what Spain has. I finally found the food and wine sign. There it is. Okay, we are here at France. I'm going to try the ratatouille and crepes. Oh, the amazing Anna Jack is coming out here. What? They threw it to people in the crowd? Ratatouille?
This is the ratatouille. Not presented like the craziest ratatouille ever, but it is all the same ingredients, and that's all that matters. I would give it a 9.5 because it's a bit of every veggie, I would say. All
wow,
in one
very
bite.
veggie filled.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the crepe Suzette and the ratatouille. Ratatouille, this feels really hot, very veggie filled. Mmm. Oh, like a big hearty vegetable soup. Mmm. Okay, the crepe Suzette. This is like ice cream with caramel. Mmm. Vanilla ice cream, caramel, and a crepe. Mmm. That's good. Who was holding that camera? Logan the cameraman? Yeah. Thank you, Logan. Alright, we are back at Spain for the flan and the margarita. And then our last booth will be Italy. So we're almost through the food festival. Okay, we got margarita and flan. Okay. Oh good, classic margarita. Oh, that's good. Okay, let's try this flan. I've never really had flan. Okay, like a homemade pudding with a little layer on top. Okay, next we have Italy, and we have another vegan option. Ooh, as well as the deconstructed tiramisu, which also sounds delicious. Okay, the deconstructed tiramisu, and I am a tiramisu fan, so I'm excited for this. Mmm, floofy? Mmm. But this had a little bit of coffee-ish flavor to it. Alright, that was good. I'm gonna keep eating this. Cheers! Come back soon, it says. Wow, because we are finally exiting the Food and Wine Festival walkway. Alright, so we are leaving the Food and Wine Festival area. I'm finishing off my tiramisu, and now we're going to go find some animals and some rides. So let's go explore Busch Gardens. There is a beautiful big black swan thingy here. Wow, and then there is a kangaroo right there in that pen. Oh, look at that sleepy guy. He's like asleep in his pose. Then there's sleeping guys by the wall. Oh, this guy over here is active.
Wow.
Look. Hello, cutie. Hello.
It could stick its face through this thing.
It could. Hi, you little cutie.
Are you tired?
Logan wanted his picture with you. Yeah, you can buy cups of food, but this guy's just here to work and feed him.
It's like the best job
Oh,
ever.
it is. He said sometimes some of the older ladies need a little more care than some of the others. Look! Hi! Are you hungry? Oh my goodness! Logan got to feed a kangaroo! Hi, sweetheart! Oh my goodness! So that was the little baby that we were feeding, and then look at them all in here. Look how many are over here. How cool.
I want to go to that glass.
Hello, buddy. Wow, so this is where you can come see them at the glass. There's so many of them. Look how close that guy is, Logan. Oh, he's laying in the sun.
back there.
What? A white one in the very back?
It's coming.
Oh, Logan, he came to see you. Look, guys.
Logan gets all the special honor.
Oh my goodness, he like gave you a high five. Hi. Oh, look, he's digging. What are you digging? What are you doing? What are you digging? Oh. Oh my gosh! He just licked the glass. So we are so excited. We stopped at the Kangaroo. Yes, we get to the glass. It comes right up to Logan and then gets to his face.
The glass.
Licked the glass.
To give me like
My favorite bird, Flamingo. One of my favorite birds.
Feed a baby.
Yes. So someone handed us food and said, "Oh, someone gave us this food. Would you like to feed the baby?" Yeah, of course we would.
I got to
now
pet
we
it
just have to see a flamingo. That was so sweet. Our first time petting a kangaroo. Okay, flamingos are one of my favorite birds. I also love hawks and owls, but these are my favorite tropical birds. Logan, what was the coolest part of the kangaroos?
Oh, I liked petting it.
Feeding and petting the baby.
Yeah, that was
so
really
cool.
Especially because it was cute baby. But then the one that came to see me.
Came to
That
lick
probably
you.
was the coolest.
Probably the coolest. All right, maybe we can find a kangaroo pen for you today.
Yes, obviously.
I already got the Food and Wine Festival pen, which is super duper cute. All right, we're here in Sesame Street land. Logan loves to cross these little rope things. You doing it, Logan?
Yeah.
We did a quick Sesame Street pit stop because Logan loves running along those little mesh things up there in the air. So he did a quick run through and now we're continuing on. Hi.
I'm gonna touch him, his nails.
Hi. You can pet his little foot. We didn't stop and get any food this time. Oh goodness, did somebody give you popcorn? I don't think you're supposed to give you popcorn. Oh my goodness. Hi Logan, good luck. All right, here they go. Ooh, I don't know if I'm brave enough for this one yet. And drop.
I felt a little bit of water laying on
You
my
hit
head.
by the wall. So if you're looking to splash and get a little wet because you want to cool down, you don't even have to get on a ride. You just stand next to this ride, and that's fun. All right, Logan, are you ready? Oh no, Logan.
I'm not even wet.
Oh my god! I tried to stand far away and it's still raining a mist on us. Oh my goodness. Logan stood there in that and now I just got misted.
Because of the mist, me and Dad got soaked more than Logan did.
Yes, I got a ton of mist blowing this way. I gotta clean my lens off now. That was funny. Hey, Logan loves getting wet, so here comes Shikra again. Uh-oh, here it comes. Ready? And here comes the mist.
My back got pretty wet, but I don't even care.
So back here here near the tiger area and the orangutans is where the new wild oasis is going to be coming. Okay, so I was not able to make it out during the hard hat tour for the wild oasis exhibit, but it will be opening soon and I cannot wait to come back when it opens. So there's like a big jungle gym playing area and tons of monkeys, so you're going to be able to see animals and play and explore and have a wonderful time while you're in the middle of this wild oasis with all these super cool animals. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, and we will be back real soon to see the wild oasis, and I can't wait. He's dusting himself. Hey, we always stop to see the elephant here.
Oh, that would be cool at nighttime.
Okay, we found the penguins. Oh, I see them back on their rock. They do look like the little African penguin from the sign. Let's go closer.
Slowly working his way down.
Uh-oh, more? More? Is he gonna jump? They're staring at me. Staring at the camera. Hi to all the viewers. Hey, you can't come to Busch Gardens without riding Cheetah Hunt. Well, that was a bust. Me and Patrick got in line. We were waiting for Cheetah Hunt, and we were like, one person tell us to go, and the ride broke down. So they kept saying they were working to get it restarted, but they did not have an estimated time. But we have had so much other fun, the delicious snacks and the animal encounters. You got to see your penguin with that little kangaroo. So he got to pick out a kangaroo pen that's perfect for the day. And I guess we'll be heading through Big Shop and okay, this is the Emporium, which is right by the exit. Love coming in here to look at all of the gifts. Ooh, the ornaments. We don't have a Busch Gardens ornament yet. Those are cute.
Next time we're here, you can get some, okay?
Up, and there's the one I was looking for, 2025. We are finishing up here now at Busch Gardens Tampa. Thank you so much to them for inviting us out. We had a wonderful time here at the Food and Wine Festival. So thank you for joining us on our magical adventure. See you next time real soon.